Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu greets countrymen on the occasion of Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces world's largest grain storage plan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurates and lays foundation stone for 10 projects valued at approximately 35,000 crore rupees in Chhattisgarh. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar addresses 100th convocation ceremony of Delhi University. And India to take on Australia in men's FIH Hockey Pro League in Rourkela, Odisha. And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has greeted the countrymen on the occasion of Guru Ravidas Jayanti on Saturday. In the social media post, she said that Saint Ravidas considered service to humanity as service to God and added that this entire life was dedicated to eradicating caste and social discrimination, increasing love and harmony, and spreading devotion. She urged everyone to follow the path of devotion and knowledge shown by Guru Ravidas and move towards building society based on harmony. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that 700 lakh metric tons of grain storage facilities will be built across the country in the next 5 years under the world's largest grain storage plant. On Saturday, he inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple key initiatives for cooperative sectors in New Delhi. On this occasion, he inaugurated the project for computerization in 18,000 primary agricultural credit societies, also known as PACs, across the country, aimed to empower the small and marginal farmers. Modi also inaugurated the pilot project of world's largest grain storage plant in the cooperative sector, which is being done in 11 PACs of 11 states. He also laid the foundation stone for an additional 500 PACs across the country for the construction of godowns and other agricultural infrastructure.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी भंडारण योजना के तहत अगले 5 वर्ष में 700 लाख मैट्रिक टन भंडारण की क्षमता तैयार की जाएगी। इस अभियान में 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा का खर्च आएगा। इस योजना के पूरा होने पर हमारे किसान अपने उत्पादों को अपनी जरूरत के मुताबिक भंडारण में रख करके स्टोर कर पाएंगे। उन्हें बैंकों से ऋण लेने में भी आसानी होगी और वो सही समय पर, जब उनको ठीक लगे कि हाँ अब माल बेचने के लिए बाजार ठीक है, सही समय पर अपने उत्पाद को बाजार में ले जाकर बेच भी पाएंगे।
Prime Minister virtually inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for 10 projects valued at approximately 35,000 crore rupees in Chhattisgarh today. Addressing the program through video conferencing, he stated that the government intends to fulfill the nation's electricity requirements through solar energy while also reducing citizens' electricity bill to zero. The project includes the National Thermal Power Corporation power plant in Raigarh, a solar power project covering approximately 450 acres in Rajnandgaon district, 3 coal handling projects of SECL, a solar power plant and a flyover of railways, as well as 2 road projects.
मोदी ने गारंटी दी थी कि सरकार ऐसी होगी कि पूरी दुनिया में हर भारतीय का माथा गर्व से ऊंचा होगा। ये गारंटी पूरी करने के लिए मैंने अपने आप को खपा दिया। 2014 में मोदी ने गारंटी दी थी कि सरकार गरीबों के लिए कोई कोर कसर बाकी नहीं रखेगी। गरीबों को लूटने वालों को गरीबों का पैसा लौटाना पड़ेगा। आज देखिए, गरीबों का पैसा लूटने वालों पर सख्त कार्रवाई हो रही है। गरीबों का जो पैसा लूटने से बचा है, वही पैसा गरीब कल्याण की योजनाओं में काम आ रहा है।
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today said that opportunities are no longer bound in silence for the youth who owe it to themselves and the nation to deliver their best. Addressing the 100th convocation ceremony of the Delhi University, he said that changes in policy making and technological growth have provided a level playing field. He urged the graduates to keep national interests upmost in their future endeavours and said that they should leave an impact on the entire world as part of India's tradition of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved a financial incentive for the armed forces personnel who bagged medals in the 19th Asian Games and 4th Asian Para Games held in Hangzhou, China last year. As per the Defence Ministry, gold medal winners will receive a cash reward of 25 lakh rupees each, silver medal winners 15 lakh rupees each and bronze medal winners will get 10 lakh rupees each for both Asian Games as well as Asian Para Games. These include athletes who won 80 medals in the Asian Games and 7 medals in the Asian Para Games. The Dorbar Shnong of Nongrum Hills, in collaboration with Kripa Foundation, today organized an awareness program on drug abuse. The program was attended by the District Child Protection Officer, East Khasi Hills Matti Wajri. Bantalilam Nari, headman of Nongrum Hills, spoke on the challenges faced by the Dorbar Shnong related to drug users and peddlers in the locality. Matti Wajri gave an insight on the Juvenile Justice Act, focusing on the implications for substance abuse cases involving minors, and said that the Act prioritizes children, ensuring that they get rehabilitation, social reintegration, basic care, protection and welfare. IIM Shillong hosted a conclave on connecting India's northeast with the world, graced by Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, as the chief guest on Friday. And MOA was signed between IIM Shillong and the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways to set up the first Gati Shakti Research Chair at IIM Shillong, which aims to discuss the multi-modal logistic development strategic focused on connecting the northeastern region with wider national and international regions to fortify the local economy. He mentioned that in the spirit of Team India, that everyone is integrated and working towards Viksit Bharat. Foreign leaders have begun arriving in Kyiv on Saturday to mark the second anniversary of Russia's war on Ukraine. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau arrived in the Ukrainian capital on Saturday morning, according to a government source travelling with him. Writing on X, Trudeau said Canada's support for the Ukrainian people remains steadfast. Former British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who developed a close relationship with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky during his time in power, is also there. In the men's FIH Hockey Pro League, India will take on Australia at the Birsa Munda Hockey Stadium in Rourkela, Odisha tonight. The match will start at 7:30 p.m. Currently, the Indian men's team stands fourth in the points table, while Australia stands second. In the next match, the men in blue will face Ireland at the same venue. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 18.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 7.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 47% and in the evening 54%. Forecast light to moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu greets countrymen on the occasion of Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces world's largest grain storage plan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurates and lays foundation stone for 10 projects valued at approximately 35,000 crore rupees in Chhattisgarh. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar addresses 100th convocation ceremony of Delhi University. And India to take on Australia in men's FIH Hockey Pro League in Rourkela, Odisha. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.